How to become a SOLAS approved employer. Step 1. Get the information. Contact Teagasc to get information on the relevant programme. Check relevant web pages at www.apprenticeship.ie and promotional materials. Attend apprenticeship promotional events. Step 2. Complete an online expression of interest form with SOLAS. Employer completes an online expression of interest form on the Generation Apprenticeship website. Step 3. SOLAS will verify the online expression of interest form and contact Teagasc. Teagasc will review the expression of interest form and contact the employer to confirm that they meet the requirements to become a SOLAS approved employer. Teagasc will confirm with the SOLAS authorised officer if the requirements to become an approved employer have been met. Step 4. On-site inspection. A SOLAS authorised officer completes an inspection to check suitability to train apprentices and a check of compliance with the Apprenticeship Code of Practice for Employers and Apprentices. The SOLAS authorised officer recommends the employer to SOLAS for approval. Where employer is not approved, guidance of requirements to become a SOLAS approved employer will be provided. An employer can reapply at a further point for inspection. Step 5. The SOLAS approved employer recruits an apprentice. The SOLAS approved employer agrees terms and conditions with the apprentice. A contract of employment is signed between the SOLAS approved employer and the apprentice. The SOLAS approved employer contacts the SOLAS authorised officer to complete the apprentice registration process in conjunction with the apprentice. Step 6. Contact Teagasc. The registered apprentice and the SOLAS approved employer contact Teagasc to enrol on the relevant apprenticeship programme. We wish you and your apprentice every success.